If you're using AutoPlay Media Studio 5.0 Professional, you're not limited just to the objects that are available inside the application itself. You can also add plugin objects. So if we go to Insert, Plugin Objects, you'll notice there's a couple objects available to you here. Now if you've installed extras, such as I have, you'll see a whole bunch here. If you go to autoplay.org, so www.autoplay.org, you'll notice that there's a variety of plugins available here, and you can download demo versions here. And if you install a demo or a full version of one of these plugins, it'll actually install a template, a sample template as well. So you can actually start up a project and just go ahead and check it out just from your File, New area where the templates are. Okay, so I've got a blank project here, and I'm going to quickly insert a plugin object just to show you a quick example. Now, there's a variety of different plugin objects for all sorts of functionality. Here I'm going to choose the Shape plugin object because that's one that I know will be available to you in your default installation of AutoPlay Media Studio 5.0 Professional. So I'm going to go to Insert, Plugin Objects, Shape, and I'm going to click on this Properties button here, and I'm going to set up a few values here. I'm going to leave it set to ellipse, and I'm going to change my outline color here to blue, and I'll set it to be 7 pixels, and I'm going to change my fill color here to be yellow, and I'm going to press OK and then press OK. As you can see here, I've created this object here using my Shape plugin. So it's a very simple example of how a plugin object works. I'm going to size this up here and center it on my page. As you see, you can treat it like you would any other object. You can size it up and so forth. And now when we go onto our page, for example, and double click and go into the Actions area, you'll notice that from the Category pull down menu here, there's a Plugin area and there's a Shape area. So if we choose the Shape area, which has now been added, you'll see there's a variety of actions which are directly related to this shape. And if we choose the Plugin category, you'll see that there's a variety of actions which are directly related to plugin objects. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and we'll head on to the next tutorial here and take a closer look at the plugin object.